You just got another call. The caller says if you don't pay your credit card debt, you're going to jail. Your heart drops. Your palms sweat. But here's what you need to know right now. That threat is illegal, and it's happening to millions of Americans this year. Listen closely. In the United States, you cannot go to jail for owing credit card debt. Not anymore. This law changed decades ago, but creditors and debt collectors are counting on you not knowing that. Here's the shocking reality. Over 43 million Americans have debt in collections. 1 out of every 3 people reading this might receive a debt collection call this month. And a huge percentage of them will hear a threat about jail time. A threat that violates federal law. So let's talk about what's actually happening, what the law actually says, and exactly what you need to do starting today. The federal law protecting you is called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the FDCPA. It was passed in 1978 specifically because collectors were using intimidation, threats, and lies to force payment. The FDCPA makes it illegal for any debt collector to threaten you with jail, arrest, or criminal prosecution for owing a debt. Full stop. Here are the 3 core rules they must follow. Rule number 1. No jail threats. A collector cannot threaten arrest, jail time, wage garnishment without a court order, or any legal action they're not actually planning to take. If they say you'll go to jail, they've just broken federal law. Rule number 2. No harassment. They cannot call before 8 a.m., after 9 p.m., repeatedly call to annoy you, call your workplace if you tell them your employer doesn't allow it, or contact you after you've sent a written cease and desist letter. Rule number 3. No deception. They cannot misrepresent themselves, claim to be a lawyer if they're not, claim they'll sue when they won't, or falsely claim you've broken the law. Now here's what's important. Credit card debt is civil debt, not criminal debt. The only way you could face legal consequences is if a creditor wins a lawsuit and gets a judgment, and then you violate a court order to appear in court or comply with a payment plan. Even then, modern laws make it extremely difficult to jail someone purely for owing money. So here are your exact action steps, starting right now. Step 1. Document the call. If a collector threatens you with jail or any illegal action, write down the date, time, caller name, company name, and exactly what they said. This is evidence. Step 2. Send a written cease and desist letter. You can send a simple certified letter to the collection agency saying, I am requesting that you cease collection efforts against me pursuant to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Send it certified mail with return receipt. Once they get this, they can only contact you about specific lawsuits, nothing else. Step 3. Report them. Go to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau website, cfpbiba.gov, and file a complaint. Also report to your state attorney general and the FTC at reportfraud.ftcsap.gov. These agencies track violators. Step 4. Get legal help. Many consumer rights lawyers work on contingency, meaning you pay nothing up front. If a collector has violated the FDCPA, you might actually be entitled to damages of up to $1,000 per violation, plus actual damages, plus attorney's fees. That's right. You might be able to sue them. Step 5. Know your options. If you legitimately owe credit card debt, you have choices. You can negotiate a settlement for less than you owe, set up a payment plan, seek credit counseling through a nonprofit agency, or, in extreme cases, file for bankruptcy protection. None of these put you in jail. Here's what creditors don't want you to know. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act has teeth. When collectors violate it, they face federal enforcement action, state enforcement, and private lawsuits. In 2023 alone, the CFPB took enforcement actions resulting in millions in refunds to consumers. You have power here. But that power only works if you know your rights and document violations. So save this video. Watch it again. Share it with someone getting these calls right now, and I promise you know someone who is. Subscribe to this channel because we post consumer protection strategies every week. These videos could literally save you thousands of dollars and your peace of mind. And if you need a lawyer to fight back against illegal collection tactics, check the link in the description. We've vetted attorneys who specialize in FDCPA cases and work with people facing exactly what you're facing. You have rights. You're not going to jail. And starting today, you're going to stand up to these collectors.